Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Aidan and today we're at Krabi Elephant Sanctuary where they look after these beautiful animals. See how they're looked after. Make medicine, apparently go in a mud bath. They're all just roaming about free. You're not allowed to ride them or anything obviously, which was the main reason we came. Keep the bananas. Look at little tail.
You are funny. Eat.
Got the camera.
You want to push it?
Jeez, I'm gonna bend my leg.
No. Looks, your leg must look like a banana.
Rồi đó.
Oh.
Jesus. He's like do 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 do. He's like a little drunk baby. What are you doing?
I don't know. I think it looks like a giant banana. Oh, Papa.
What happened there? Did he sneeze? Okay. Hug? What's her name? Good. Hey, Good.
They're like big giant dinosaurs.
He's hungry.
Oh.
She's hungry, sorry. Jesus, that was a bit scary. So we're just walking to the next area where I think we're going to bathe them or give them medicine. Not too sure yet. But they're all just walking next to us. They're all just roaming about free. Acres of land here. Acres of land. They all get looked after and fed. This is a proper sanctuary, like where these animals belong. It's better than been somewhere in Thailand where they're all getting, people getting put on their backs and having to take people around all day. We can just be ourselves here. You ready to get dirty, Tony? Oh god, this is probably not what I expected. I've been told I have to go for a shower. I'm absolutely manky. I've got hands for nipples.